Have you ever wondered if a child can receive medical care without a parent's permission? It is a question that touches on fundamental parental rights and a child's well-being, often raising important legal and ethical considerations. While parental consent is almost always required for a child's medical treatment, there are specific and legally defined circumstances where consent is not needed. These exceptions exist to protect a minor's health and safety, ensuring they receive necessary care even when a parent cannot or will not provide consent. The primary reasons for these exceptions stem from a combination of common law principles and state statutes. In emergency situations, healthcare providers can provide life-saving or limb-saving treatment without consent if obtaining it would cause a dangerous delay. This is rooted in the idea that saving a life takes precedence over waiting for permission. Another key exception is found in the mature minor doctrine, which allows a minor who demonstrates sufficient maturity and understanding to consent to their own medical treatment for certain conditions. Additionally, many states have specific carve-out laws that permit minors to consent to care for particular issues like reproductive health services, mental health counseling, or substance abuse treatment, recognizing the sensitive nature of these concerns and the importance of access. If a child is an emancipated minor, meaning they are legally considered an adult, parental consent is never required for their medical decisions. Finally, when a child is under the legal custody of the state or a court order has been issued, the designated guardian or the court itself can provide consent, bypassing parental authority. For parents, understanding these state-specific nuances is incredibly important. Knowing when these exceptions apply can help clarify situations where urgent care is needed or where a minor may be seeking confidential services. Healthcare providers are trained to assess these legal requirements and a minor's capacity to consent, ensuring compliance with both the law and ethical standards of care. These rules strike a careful balance between a parent's right to guide their child's upbringing and the child's fundamental right to health and well-being. Terms like mature minor doctrine, emancipated minor, and state-specific carve-outs highlight the nuanced legal framework protecting vulnerable young people. Ultimately, these exceptions underscore that a child's health and safety are paramount. They provide critical pathways for minors to receive necessary medical care, particularly in emergencies or for sensitive issues, even when parental consent cannot be readily obtained or is legally deemed unnecessary, prioritizing the child's best interests above all else.